Guys, we are back doing another one of our how-to videos where Kevin explains on how to do something again. So today we are going to how to, I guess, a clogged drain, or a drain that's slow draining. So we're going to show you a real kind of quick, easy way, or kind of what we've come across to be able to fix your drain that anyone can do. You have a drain, for instance a sink. A lot of times a sink gets clogged with hair or whatnot, and it's slow draining. So this is kind of a common problem. A couple different products that we kind of looked at. They're both similar. One, you can I guess pick up at Walmart, drain rooter. It's basically kind of like a little snake kind of thing with these little spiky things that are on it. So we're going to maybe try that. The other product, which I guess we got off of Amazon, Kim had ordered something like a whole little kit off of Amazon. Let's see what's all in this kit. I'll put the link and everything will be down below for this. But looks like it has pretty much, comes with 3 of the little drain things. It's got this, I guess, little claw snake thing, so if you need to get something down below, I guess you got that. And of course, some gloves. Little caution with this: when you pull out hairballs or pull out, it does get kind of nasty or anything with that. So, but don't really know what's in my drain or what we're going to get. So we will wait and see. So the first thing you kind of want to do is fill up the drain. And then remove the little cap. Alright, so we're going to try this thing that got off of Amazon. Looks like to be about the same.
This you can go in and grab. You go down and then you clamp.
Yeah, grab if there's a big hairball, but I think this will actually, if there's any like hair, autumn or whatever, you have long hair, this should just kind of feed all the way down to the pipe. And this will break it up, I hope. You kind of put it in and twist it, get a nice little twist.
Oh,
And that's what was causing our drain. This is where the gloves probably come in handy, huh?
that's why they give it to you. Yeah, that would be wise.
That's nice.
It's fun, actually.
It's fun, actually. Yeah. Let's see what it does now.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Just kind of give it a nice little twist.
Ew. And that's Kevin's sink, I just thought I'd tell you.
Is that what it is? And voila! Now,
What?
it should drain just fine and not fill up.
Okay.
So, kind of I think it's like $5, $5 or $6 off of Amazon. Comes with 3. We have a couple other drains. You really want to use the claw? Is that it? You want to see if there's use the claw down there?
Yeah,
Is our tub drain?
It's full of
Balloons at the moment.
For my birthday.
So,
Alright, let's get this clean.
alright, so our tub appears to be doing the same thing.
I don't think you're going to get that in there.
claw's gonna work.
Okay. Look at the green thing. Oh, wow. Satisfaction. Yeah.
Yeah, that's part of the reason why the tub ain't draining.
Probably there's more.
I don't think it's my hair either.
Why do you have to have the water in there?
Because it helps to know where they got the clog.
Oh.
Oh, there's definitely a clog in there. I feel it.
Can you pull that thing off?
What? Not much.
Sad.
He was hoping to get something with it. Oh wait, there was a fur ball. Got a trash can?
Yes. But not so good.
That's so good.
Do you want the black one? So basically, that is better than the.
Yeah, I mean it's better than the claw.
Alright. Dang, yeah, that me.
Yeah, that you.
Wow, yeah, dude.
So you just kind of shove this down here, like so. Give it a nice little twist, and pull out.
So is the black one better than the green one?
I don't know. I mean, they both do the same.
It's kind of got the same concept.
It does.
The black one is cheaper due to the fact, because it came with the metal.
Yeah, and this is kind of the little claws on this black is kind of
Thicker?
no, it's cheaper, like cheaper made. The green one is better
Oh, it is.
better quality. I mean, this hooks on. That could definitely lead to some problems.
As in what?
Well, this because this drain is so big that it hasn't clogged up, but look at all that.
Yeah. Kid.
You going fishing? Look at that big tank.
Yeah, I'm talking about. Get it, baby. Maybe get your black thing underneath it.
It's stuck. That's a big chunk. I can't even pull the thing out.
Holy. What is it?
What is it?
Ew. It's almost done.
Jackpot.
Holy.
That's what was in the drain. That's bad. What do you think? That's how we came out of our drains?
Yeah, that's nasty.
Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
So, would you recommend both of them?
Yeah, I definitely would recommend, I guess now when you're done, you just throw it away, the little plastic things. So, kind of a little bit of a recap. We use both this drain rooter. I don't think it's as durable. It's kind of cheaper with the little prongs. The thing we got off of Amazon, the little kit we got off of Amazon, I think was a little bit more durable. A little stiffer, kind of get down in there to kind of break up to the drain. But all in all, and then we used the little claw thing, as you seen the big chunk that came out. I think they each have their own application to do, but all in all, it's pretty successful. So real easy way to clean your drains, the hair clogs and everything else you have in there. So I'll put the description, the link and everything down below. But don't forget, if you continue to like these videos, please don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. So once again, another one of our how-to videos from Kevin and Kim Outdoor Adventure, KKOA. Bye.